Hello everyone, it's Martin here, and welcome back to the Forex Web channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run an optimization in MetaTrader. In the last video, we did a simple backtest with fixed values, but with optimization, you can test multiple input values automatically and find out which settings give you the best performance. So let's get started. Just like before, I'll open the strategy tester by pressing Ctrl+R. You can also open the strategy tester by clicking this icon here. Now here's the important part. I'll select my EA, the currency pair, and the time frame, just like a normal backtest. Then we have the spread. The spread option simulates the difference between the bid and ask price, adding realistic trading costs to your results. A higher spread reduces profit and can turn marginal strategies into losses, especially for scalping systems. But this time, I'm going to check the box that says optimization. This tells MetaTrader that instead of running one test, we're going to run a whole series of tests with different input values. Now, let's go to the Input tab. Normally for backtesting, we set fixed values here. For optimization, we don't use the Value tab anymore. We use the Start, Step, and Stop columns. But in optimization, we can define ranges. Let me show you. For profit and pips, I'm going to check it, set the start value 10, the step 1, and the stop value 40. That means MetaTrader will test TP values of 10, 11, 12, all the way up to 40. The values in this tab do not matter because we are doing optimization. For the lot multiplier, I'm going to set the start value 1.1, the step is going to be 0.1, and the stop will be 2. Lot multiplier will go from 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all the way up to 2. I'm going to do the same with the distance. Start is going to be 5. Step 1 and stop 25. The max trades, start will be 4, step will be 1, and stop will be 15. So basically, MetaTrader is going to try every possible combination of these values across the historical data, and that can be hundreds or even thousands of tests depending on your ranges. We're going to press OK. Once I hit start, MetaTrader will begin running all those variations automatically between the dates I set in. In optimization, the visual mode doesn't matter. Optimization always runs without visual mode. This may take some time depending on your computer and how big the ranges are. Let's press start. Now the optimization is in progress. Right here we can see that there are 1638 possible combinations, and the backtester is checking all of them and going to tell us that which settings are the best and the most profitable. When it's finished, you'll notice that the results are displayed differently compared to a normal backtest. Instead of just one report, you'll now see a list of results. Each line contains one input parameter tested, and these are the input parameters, along with what was the performance of the EA on the specific set of inputs. Now let's look at the results. Here you can see columns like profit, total trades, profit factor, expected payoff, drawdown, and drawdown percent. Each row corresponds to a different combination of TP, lot multiplier, distance, and max trade, because I optimized these parameters. This allows you to compare which settings performed the best. Maybe one combination gave the highest profit, but another had much lower drawdown. You can also sort the results in ascending or descending order according to the maximum or minimum profit, which will show results accordingly. You can also do it according to the total trades or drawdown by right-clicking on them. If I right-click on the results window, there are several useful options. At first, we have set input parameters. This allows you to take that exact row of results and load those settings directly into your EA. Next, we have copy. It is used if you want to copy the results to Excel or somewhere else for analysis. At number 3, save as report. This exports the full optimization data as an HTML report. You can also later share it with your friends and family. We also have this skip useless results option. If this is checked, it will skip all the results which went into loss. If it is unchecked, it will not. The last step is selecting the settings you want to choose. Again, the goal isn't always to pick the one with the absolute highest profit. Sometimes, the best result is the one with a good balance between profit and drawdown. So once you've defined a setup you like, just right-click, choose Set Input Parameters, and those settings will be loaded into your EA. From there, you can run a normal backtest on that setup to double-check it. At ForexPip, we always optimize our bots and custom EAs before release, so traders can start with settings that are already tested and fine-tuned. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out forexpip.com for more trading tools and custom development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.